What's the meaning of Charlie Chaplin? Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin.
Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin was an English actor, comedian, and filmmaker who rose to fame in the silent era of Hollywood. He is known for his iconic character, the Tramp, which he portrayed in numerous films. Chaplin's work often commented on social and political issues of his time, and he is considered one of the most influential figures in the history of cinema. Despite facing controversy and accusations of communist sympathies during the Red Scare, Chaplin continued to produce successful films until his death in 1977.